Hello buddies, so today I have a squishy package. This is like my first one of like this month, I believe. I don't think I've had one in ages, so I'm really excited because I got some really good squishes for such a good price as well. Should have brought my scissors up, but I didn't. It's just kind of silly of me, but oh well. Yeah, so I got this off of Instagram. I think it costs like £40 roughly, because I bought separate things at separate times, but they like put it in one package. Get what I mean? This thing. Should put my sellotape, not my sellotape, my thingy up. What's it called? Scissors up. Okay, so here is the first look of what I got. Oh, slide that one. So I'm just take all the stuff out. I'm going to show you individually of what I got. Yeah, my dad. Got some, whatever this is, just make sure there's nothing in here. Okay, let's see if I got some, are these memo sheets? I think they're memo sheets. Yeah, just a couple of these memo sheets that they added. So, put them like that. And then I got my other package, which you also put in. Which is, okay, yeah, so, because like I said, I ordered this one, I believe, first, and I didn't know how much I had left, so I got them ones as well, once I got as well, so just take out everything that I got. I'll try and remember the price. But if not, then I don't know, but I'll say it was like roughly £40 or like £30. I don't really remember, but yeah. Anyway, so I'll just show you the ones that I bought first. Yeah. So yeah, these are things. Okay, so first up, get my knees up. Okay, so first up, I bought this Hello Kitty mini donut. Turn on that one. So this mini Hello Kitty donut. I believe this was £3 or something like that. But yeah, here it is. Squish it. I've been wanting one of these for ages, so I finally got one. And the best thing about this is that I got this from a UK seller as well, so the shipping was like super cheap. There we go. So I got this little mini donut, and then next up I got these two other Hello Kitty donuts. These are the Christmas editions. So I got this green one, and I got this brown one. I'll show you the brown one first. The packaging is open, but I just decided to take that. It's no biggie. But here's the brown one. Here's the tag. These are really squishy. So that is that one. It's pretty cute. And then this green one, also the Christmas edition. They're really, really soft. So I'm really happy that I got these. And then another Hello Kitty thing I got is this macaron, I think. Is it a macaron? I'm not too sure, but I got it anyway because I thought it was super cute. It's licensed by 2010. Just realised I was holding it upside down, but here it is. I don't think it's been opened either, so that's really cool. Okay, then the ones I'm most excited for is these Jumbo Punimaru Strawberry. So we've got this rainbow one. Wow, it's super amazing. It's got the big tag and the acrylic charm and the pin tag as well. I think I've got some. Yeah, the packaging is really cute. So I am super happy with it. Yep. Okay, then so I got the rainbow one, but I also got the this one as well. And the tag on it's a bit twisted. So I got this white super jumbo strawberry. So it's the white chocolate, no, the milk chocolate dipped strawberry, white strawberry. There we are. And then we got the white chocolate white strawberry, the one that I was most of for, and they got like the really cute charm as well. So it's really cute. Then the last two items I got is the original one. Is it double scented? Oh, it smells really good. So there we are. And then the last item that I bought is this one, which is the pink one. Yeah, the chocolate one, I think. So I am very, very happy with all my squishes. So if you would like to buy from this person, I'll leave their links down below. And yeah, that is it. And I'll see you guys soon for the next video. Bye.